Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Delta Rules. In today's video, we got more unusual options activity. Now, guys, remember the information presented by Delta Rules and myself is for educational purposes only. Trading stocks and options involve risks that are not suitable for all investors. Please make sure to always do your own due diligence. Now, guys, if you ended up on this video and you don't know anything about options trading, I do have 3 courses down below that will teach you about options from top to bottom, as well as a video showing you how to set up a scanner on Thinkorswim for unusual options activity. Having said that, the first stock that we're going to be going into, we're actually going to be going into 2 stocks today. These are both Brazilian stocks, which came up on the scanner today. Never seen them before, but I really thought it was interesting what was happening on the chain. So the first one is actually PBR. And this is called Petróleo Brasileiro, and this is pretty much an oil company in Brazil that operates out of Brazil. And this option chain right here, we can see just coming into the option chain that someone is aggressively buying some short-term dated calls. Now, coming down here, if we actually filter, we could actually tell this. They're just being aggressive on here when it comes down to this specific options. Look at this. This is a 3,300 contracts traded. The bid at $15, the ask at $178 or $178. Somebody came in here and said, I don't care, give them to me at $178. This is just it letting me know that someone is thinking that this stock will be going up. Period. Big money is thinking that the stock will be going up. There is some type of meeting coming up with this stock, with the shareholders. So once again, make sure that you guys always do your own due diligence if you're trying to get into a stock that I bring up on this channel. So this is the first one. Let's actually take a look at the chart. Let's see how it's actually doing. So this is actually, it has been consolidating. Volume seems to have been calming down, and now is that we're actually seeing quite a bit of activity on the actual option chain. We can tell that the call multiplier is quite high, and there's a lot of green. 53% of the options were actually traded on, of the call options were actually traded on the ask size or on the ask price. So I really like this. And again, I mean, it's very short termed. So lets me know that, you know, someone is expecting this stock to move pretty big in the short. I mean, for pretty much until the 16th of April. That's like what? Well, that's next Friday. That's pretty much tomorrow. So this is definitely something I'm looking at. I really think it's very interesting, just the fact that people are coming in here and buying those options aggressively in there. I really like this one. So the next one that we're actually going to be looking at is ITUB, and this is another Brazilian stock. Is a bank, pretty much a financial. They provide financial services in Brazil, and this is another one. As you guys could tell, 78% of the call options that were traded today were bought at the ask price. And if you guys come down here to the option time and sales, we could also tell that once again, somebody's coming aggressively in here and just buying calls and it does. This one does look like it also has been consolidating, and it does look like it may just break off that 20 moving average. And that's pretty much the way it has been doing it so far. It just has been going up and down a little bit of a range there. But this one's, I really like the fact that I saw this too. I have never really seen them before actually come up on my scanner, and there's just very good activity on here. I do not have any filters on here, so you guys can tell. I really like it, and this is definitely something I'm looking at. But this is pretty much it. This is pretty much what I have for you guys today. I really appreciate everybody that has been subscribing, liking the videos. I really love you guys. Stay safe out there.